Hey everyone, Greg with DRIFTERJOURNEY. Today we're making you a how-to video for the tailgate removal on a Gen 3 Chevy Colorado and most likely GMC Canyon. This is one of the little soft open ones. This is a ZR2 trim, so if you got a different one, it might be slightly different. I couldn't find a video on how to do it, so we're going to just take the old video and try and hope that it's somewhat logical to how that was done. So, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, leave messages so we can respond to you, and purchase through our affiliate links in the description because it helps support the channel. So from what I'm seeing, you're going to have to first remove the tailgate, the backup camera cables, which go through there and down under. I'm not going to show you down under because it's super dirty and I know I'm going to get a bunch of dirt on me when I do it, but we got our little creeper here. I'm going to get down there and disconnect that, and then from there it looks like these need to come off, so we're going to just improvise it and do it and see if we learn anything. We'll tell you properly if we do. Those will come off. Then it looks like this safety bolt needs to come out, and then theoretically we'll just hold this up on an angle, and it looks like this pin will just pop out from this end, and then we'll just slide it out of the other end with a helper because it's going to be a little heavier, and I don't want to scratch everything up. So yeah, we'll see if that works, and if it doesn't, we won't make this video. I want to make sure we got this before we start, because if we don't have that, we can't get it. Would you jiggle it?
Yeah.
Oh, come on out. Come on. So after you spend a half an hour fighting with the two clips under the vehicle, we are going to use a T40 to remove this bolt here. And then we need to get a wrench set to remove that. Next up, with a 13 millimeter, we're using some Vevor tools here. I'm going to go ahead and remove these. Okay, so we are going to tip it up, pop it out, hope that the springs and stuff don't come flying out. And then we're going to close it more, and hopefully it'll slide right off the other end. Alright, so let's see. Okay, that's going to slide out.
Okay.
I'm going to move this to here. It's going to slide out pretty easy, it looks like. It's a squared off piece.
Okay.
Now roll. Get the weight supported. Does it slide?
Yep.
Slides off that end, and those come out without breaking them. All right, tailgate's off. So you can see it was down in here, and then so this doesn't spin. So that's why you have to tip up to slide it off of that one. Tailgate's off. Pain in the ass, but if you need it off, it comes off. Thanks for watching.